What's up? It's your boy, Mr. FreeWorld. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I just want to show you a little bit about everything. I want to show you a little bit about real estate. I want to show you a little bit about clothing. I want to show you a little bit of how to free yourself, how to live your life and do what you want to do, how you want to do it. Giving everything out this time around, you heard? I'm giving you all the inside scoops. I'm putting you on how to do what I do. And if you can do what I do, I welcome you to do it.